Most of us don't even realize that we've been visited by extraterrestrials. And I think a lot of us don't realize how common occurrence it is that these aliens, these extraterrestrials, actually visit humans. And most people don't realize that they've actually had some contact with an extraterrestrial or an alien life form. You see, most of these interactions appear sort of as dreams. Seeing a strange star in the sky, hearing an animal outside your window at night. Now, people often mistake aliens, extraterrestrials, with owls. And I think it's because the one thing that these ETs cannot hide is the big bulbous eyes. And even still, if they are able to disguise themselves or manipulate our minds into thinking they're not there, for some reason our minds draw to those big black bulbous eyes that we see with owls, that we see with other entities that are associated with these ETs. And I think it's because, for some reason, those piercing eyes seem to stick in our minds and our memories. You know, what's interesting is you see with other entities like the black-eyed children and with ghosts and shadow people, right? They're often described with these big, black, bulbous, evil-looking eyes. And for some reason, you know, when you look at those eyes, when you see a rabbit, when you see an owl, when you see those piercing eyes, it bothers you. It makes you feel uncomfortable. And I think that's from interactions with ETs. Now, extraterrestrials, I believe, have been coming to this planet for thousands and thousands of years. It's simply, we don't realize this, we don't see this because a lot of our history has been erased and sort of we've been brainwashed into not believing that they've been here. But we definitely see this present in a lot of these ancient sites, a lot of these places around the world that had some otherworldly influence. Now, there's no clear indication of why these extraterrestrials come to Earth or why they visit us, what they want from us, or who they are or where they come from. Now, we have all kinds of different indications. Some people believe that these originate from the Orion star cluster or the Pleiades. And a lot of people think that there's various types of races of extraterrestrials. For instance, the reptilians, the Greys, the Nordic. Now, if you get even deeper, there's a lot of people who believe that they are hybrids, starseeds, living extraterrestrials here on Earth, that they are part extraterrestrial, they are part alien, and they live amongst us and they walk amongst us. And some even believe that they are descendants of an alien race and that at one time they had lived on another planet and were brought here, or that there was some sort of interspecies development or evolution that occurred. But one thing's for certain, they are here. They visit us frequently, and they want something. They're looking for something, is what it appears to be. Is that, what are they searching for? Why are they here? And when will they stop coming here? Will they find what they're looking for? Because I definitely think that they are searching for something, and that they are studying us, they're learning us, and they're trying to figure out something. Could it be possible that encoded in our DNA is an ancient secret that they are trying to learn, or a code that they are trying to break and discover, and that has the key to the universe? And potentially how we were an accident. Were humans really even supposed to be here on Earth? And somehow we managed to make it here to Earth and survive and thrive and that this planet was so successful that they want to know why we have been this successful. Why did human life thrive on this specific planet against all odds? So I think that we have to look at this as a possibility that they are studying us to learn about how they can advance their civilization even more. Just as we study ourselves, just as we study animal life, a biological life here on Earth, they are studying us as biological life forms, trying to figure out how that they can better and advance themselves as a society, and trying to understand the universe as we would with life on another planet.